everyone. I'm here today talking about the I Can't workshops that we have here at the Center for Creativity. Now, these workshops are a chance to step out of your comfort zone and try something new that you think you can't do. Like, do you ever think, wow, I really wish I could write a song, but I can't? Guess what? You can. Let's listen to a familiar tune with new lyrics written by people just like you. These folks came in wanting to write a song, and with help from the Woody Guthrie Center, they wrote one during their lunch break.
I saw a wall there along the border. Is it the door there or brick and mortar? Let's join together and grab our hammer. This land was made for you and me.
The C4C partners with more than 20 local nonprofit agencies to give you a plethora of new things to try. Partners like Fab Lab Tulsa, Gilcrease Museum, Philbrook Museum of Art, Tulsa Artists Fellowship, Tulsa Zoo, and many others. We have a fall, spring, and summer series. All the workshops are from 12 to 12:45 in the Center for Creativity at 910 South Boston Avenue in Tulsa. The new series starts in February, so instead of sitting at your desk during your lunch hour, daydreaming of 5 o'clock, come to the Center for Creativity. I'm going to leave you with a preview of I Can't Drum with the Bart, happening February 24th. Join us!